Today in Living Well, we're helping you reveal a new you and aging beautifully.
We've got Dr. Scott Carlson here from Carlson Laser Aesthetics in Grand Rapids to talk about the latest advancements in your office, Smart Lipo.
And I've wondered, because I've heard a lot of buzz about Smart Lipo, what exactly is it?
It's a new technique. It's been out for about 2 years, and what it is, it's a laser-assisted melting of the fat under the skin, and then we use a small catheter to suction that fat out. And it's designed for people who want to just contour and take a little bit off here or there, you know, the little saddlebags or the little pooch in the belly after having their babies. And people just they've exercised, they diet, and they've worked hard, and they can't get rid of that little area. So this is designed for just some mild contouring, just to help people through that little process.
Because they say you can't spot reduce, and so you can spot reduce for someone by doing this.
We can. If you just have, let's say, some saddlebags that you're having a hard time getting those jeans on, and that's the barrier, we can do saddlebags.
That's fantastic.
I know people wonder about the procedure itself. Is it going to be painful? Am I going to be out of work? Because those are things that people get nervous about.
That's the beauty of the procedure. You can do this procedure on a Friday afternoon, and you'll be back to work on Monday. While we do the procedure, you're perfectly awake, and the patient is able to talk to us, smile, talk to us, and look at us. We can assess how they're feeling, and all we've done is numbed their area of their belly there. You can see that that whole belly is free of pain or sensation. She just knows where they're working.
Yeah, she looks quite relaxed,
and
actually.
It's a combination. You use a laser actually to melt that fatty layers.
That's right.
You were walking us through that earlier.
First we prep the patient by getting a sterile prep. We use sterile techniques, of course, and then we go ahead and put a little opening in the belly with just a little stab wound. We numb that up first, and then we slip a little catheter in there that we fill that whole area, that fatty layer, with a fluid that numbs it up. And we let them sit there for about half an hour, and that really numbs the whole belly up. Then we can go in and slip the laser in there, and there's a little light on it, and we can go back and forth with that laser and just melt the fat, and you can just hear the fat crackling and popping. It sounds like Rice Krispies.
Really? So you're like, good, you're going to work. I know a lot of people are probably wondering how much this costs. What's the procedure run?
Around the abdomen and flanks. That's a common one. People will spend about $4,700 for that.
Okay.
The old-fashioned liposuction, it would be nearly double that.
Wow. That's a huge difference.
And you said you schedule these a lot of times Fridays or Saturdays, and the people don't even have to miss work?
That's right.
That's really, really nice.
They may take a Friday afternoon off, come in, do the office, have the procedure done, somebody drives them home, and by Monday they're back to work.
So you also, this is something you started doing this year, but you do a lot of other procedures as well in your office.
We have a cosmetic business, and we run a family practice as well. So we've been doing laser therapy and treatments for a year and a half now, and just take care of Juvederm and Botox needs, wrinkles, taking care of all those kinds of things.
And you know, the before and afters are incredible. I mean, this really is a life-changing surgery for some people.
It is. We've seen women come in, they've finally decided to take care of themselves after they've had their children, and they want to take them, just spruce themselves up a little bit, see if they can get back into those old jeans they had, the skinny jeans, and we'll start them on the process, get them through this procedure, and once they start feeling better about themselves, they start exercising more, you see them change their diet, and they just take off and do a whole new lifestyle change for themselves.
I love seeing those pictures because that is the proof of the purchase, is seeing that before and after, and it's dramatic.
That's right.
And my goodness, sometimes, like you said, that's what you need to kind of boost things and have a little incentive to eat right.
And your whole life, your self-esteem, your self-confidence, like you said, if it's combined with diet, exercise, and overall just commitment to a healthy life, how incredible. Now, people are on the fence about this. You actually have a special event going on this evening that's open to the public.
Yes,
Tell us about it.
Well, twice a year we do a spa night for our clients, and we open up our office. We have tonight Chef Tommy Fitzgerald coming in, providing
Hey, we know Tommy.
We love Tommy. He's a regular on our show.
There we go. And we're going to have massage therapy by Linda Taylor, who you featured a couple weeks ago in the Bingoli building.
Right.
Okay, she'll be there with 3 massage therapists, and we're going to have vendors there. We're going to talk about Smart Lipo, Color Science, makeup, Obagi skincare products, and of course Smart Lipo. We'll be talking about that.
That's fantastic.
And we'll be doing procedures.
That sounds fantastic. You really know how to pamper your clients.
We have a great clientele. We like to take care of them a couple times a year.
Well, that's great. And we should say that you're a very involved person and part of the Grand Rapids community. And so congratulations for everything that you do, both in the office and in the community throughout the year.
Thank you for your contributions, too.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Carlson, for coming in today.